Welcome to White Sands National Park, where the dunes are made of gypsum, not snow. Nestled in the heart of the Tularosa Basin in New Mexico, this incredible landscape feels like another world. The brilliant white sand is so fine and soft that it feels surprisingly cool to the touch, a welcome sensation in the desert heat. It's a place where every step is a discovery and every view is a masterpiece, offering an otherworldly experience unlike any other. The vast gypsum sand dunes, covering 275 square miles, are a unique geological wonder. Their story begins in the surrounding San Andres and Sacramento mountains, where rain and snowmelt carry gypsum crystals down into the basin. The water collects and evaporates, leaving behind a thick layer of gypsum. Over thousands of years, the relentless winds break the gypsum down into fine sand, shaping it into the rolling dunes you see today. This ongoing process means the landscape is never static. It's a living, breathing desert that constantly shifts and evolves with every breeze. For a truly unique experience, a visit to the park's visitor center is a must. Here, you can rent a classic saucer sled and a special wax to make your ride even faster. The experience is pure magic. As you climb to the top of a dune and sit on your sled, the world seems to fall away. With a push, you glide down the smooth, white slopes, the wind rushing past you. It's an exhilarating activity that the entire family can enjoy. From the youngest children to the young at heart, creating unforgettable moments of laughter and joy. As the day comes to a close, the park transforms into a breathtaking spectacle. The sunset paints the sky with a brilliant palette of vivid pinks, deep oranges, and soft purples. As the sun dips below the horizon, the lengthening shadows of the dunes create dramatic lines and shapes that seem to dance across the landscape. The final moments of light reflecting off the pure white sands are a sight to behold. A serene and beautiful end to a day of exploration. It is a moment of profound peace, with the only sounds being the gentle rustle of the wind and the distant calls of desert wildlife.